I'm Wallace Henley, Executive Director of the Belhaven Institute for Ministry Leadership Development, and also one of the designers of the brand new Master of Ministry Leadership degree. I served for 50 years as a leader both in government, in journalism, and in the church. And I know that we face a very complex future. I've studied leadership, I've looked at leadership practically in every way, and the program we offer will be a combination of the principle and the function, the pragmatics and the foundations. In preparing for this program, Belhaven Leadership surveyed a number of Christian ministry organizations, and they asked this question: if you were hiring a leader today, what would be the competencies that you would want in that person? Well, that survey produced 128 competencies. And then in further research, we added another 30. So one of the major differences in the Master of Ministry Leadership program that you'll get at Belhaven from elsewhere is that we address 158 very practical competencies that people who are looking for leaders in Christian ministry organizations have already identified. With this master's degree, we help to equip pastors, staff pastors, but also leaders, directors, staff for parachurch ministries, even secular organizations that see themselves operating as Christian and have that as their mission. It's very good for members of their staffs, their leadership, to be part of this as well. One of the unique features of the Belhaven Master of Ministry Leadership degree is that many of the instructors will be people whose names you will recognize as being leaders in the fields that they're speaking about. We have the privilege of drawing from a tremendous array of great Christian leaders who will be part of the actual instruction phase of the MML online. There are several ways to approach paying for your Master of Ministry Leadership degree. We have, for example, payment plans, especially for churches, parachurch ministries, organizations who send members of their staff. We have financial aid in a limited fashion available for individual students as well. Our counselors are ready to talk to you about that and can give you much guidance on the details of helping you pay for a tremendous program. Belhaven launched the Master of Ministry Leadership degree program because we recognize the complexities that will be challenging future leaders in the generations to come. In fact, the slogan of the whole Institute for Ministry Leadership here at Belhaven University is equipping a leadership legacy for a complex future. Consequently, we will have in the program future studies. We will be looking at trends as well as the foundational issues by which we can address these things effectively and hopefully get you prepared to lead with excellence no matter how difficult and how challenging the situation. I would love to have the opportunity to talk to you. My phone number and my email address are appearing on the screen. Please feel free to call me or drop me a note, and I'll get right back to you. Thank you for listening.